After hitting an unmarked submerged shoal, we suffered significant prop and engine damage. While work began on repairs, Laura and I decided to take a motorcycle trip to the Smoky Mountains. In this part 2 of our trip, we will take you on the Moonshiner 28, Cherahola Skyway, and the notorious Tail of the Dragon. For those that do not know, these 3 routes through the Smoky Mountains are the 3 most beautiful and challenging bike cruises east of the Mississippi. The Tail of the Dragon alone has 318 curves and 11 miles. Enjoy the scenery. After riding 55 miles from Cherokee, North Carolina on the Moonshiner 28, we arrived at historic Topako Lodge. We planned to spend a couple of nights and ride the Tail of the Dragon and cruise the Cherahola Hot Skyway. The food was great and the drinks were cold.